You send us yung mga pinapadala nilang email sa inyo or letters na pinadadala sa inyo. Kung may phone call po, you refer the caller to us and we will handle them for you. If you are already in our debt settlement program or ang tawag po namin sa product namin, debt mediation program, you can still receive collection notices, collection efforts from your creditor. Remember, the settlement does not happen immediately while you are in the program. So, legally po, pwede po mag-reach out yung creditor sa inyo. The effort is a harassment in nature. Yung program po, merong kasamang harassment defense. Okay, we will send them a cease and desist letter para po sila ay tumigil sa panghaharas sa inyo. Pero, any po na collection efforts na within the guidelines ng allowed sa kanila ng batas, pwede po yan. So how do you handle it? You send us yung mga pinapadala nilang email sa inyo or letters na pinadadala sa inyo. And kung may phone call po, you refer the caller to us and we will handle them for you. But hindi po totally mai-eliminate yung mga collection efforts nila. We can always send them a letter stating that you are already in the program until we are able to create a settlement for you. Doon lang po talaga mawawala yung naniningil na mga kolektor sa inyo. Kasama nyo po kami doon sa programa ninyo. So you have to report to us kung ano po yung nangyayari sa inyo so we can deal with that accordingly. If you like what you hear at gusto nyo po na maging debt-free, please reach out to us through our website or aming mga social media platforms.